Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how AI helps retailers automate sales, inventory, and loyalty. AI helps retailers automate sales, inventory, and loyalty by making decisions faster, smarter, and more accurate. So, I'll be explaining a simple practical example with real retail examples. Let's dive into the CRM module. As we just move on to the CRM module, here we have the option to generate leads. Upon choosing that, this would pop up a wizard and that will let you need of reaching your target. So here you can set how many leads you would like to generate. So here currently it's filtered as three companies, and if you want to just change companies and their contact as the option, you can just do that. You can also set the countries over here. So let's say the country as Japan also. And once it's done, you can just choose the states, industries, and filter on size. You can set up the sales team, salesperson, and default tags. Upon clicking on generate, you can see that, yeah, here as a field is missing, we are just unable to do it. So I'll be setting the industries. Let's add all the industries over here. So once an industry is added, the added industries will be highlighted over here, okay, with a bold black color in the list. So that will let you know which industry is being added. If you want to just search for more, you have the option search more. And if you want to just add more options over here, you can just do it. So I would like to add every options. So you can select the industries that you just want to add and click on select so that every click on generate leads and you can see that you do not have enough credit to submit this request. So if you just want to generate the lead, we should have enough credits. So if we have enough credits, the lead will be generated. Now let's move on to the AI features of Odoo 19. So as we just move on to a particular lead, here you can see that we'll be getting the AI probability. Upon choosing it here, you can see that the percentage has been updated over here. Upon choosing it, you can see that the AI computed chances of winning for sales, and this also shows the top positive and it has a valid email, and the negative thing is that it is in the new stage and does not have a valid phone number and sources search engine. Now here you can see that I'm going to change the stage from new to qualified, and upon changing the new stage to qualified, you can see that the probability is being changed. And upon choosing this here, you can see that the top positive is that we are in the qualified stage. And again, let me move on to the proposition. So as we just move on to the proposition, still you can see that um, currently the stage is in proposition. And if you just move on to the one stage, you can see that currently we have just one and the probability is showing over here. Now if you want to just get to know different details over here, like the showing the salesperson by product, which product is best selling and everything, you can just go ahead with the AI. So if you want to just manage with the AI, first you have to install the AI module, and we know in Odoo 19 we have a dedicated module called AI to manage the AI. So here we just need to provide the providers. So there are different providers. That's a ChatGPT account as well as the Gemini account. You can just enable it and provide your API key to connect with it, and you can just move on to the agents. And if you want to create a new agent, you can create over here. So currently I have created a new agent. If you want to just move on to the configuration, you can just move on here and provide the name as well as the description can be provided over here. You can choose the model. I would like to choose the GPT 4o over here. And if you want to just get the responsive style as analytic or balanced or creative, you can just use the option. And once it's done, you can just move on with testing, and this will let you give you the AI uh, option over here. Now let's move on to the CRM. And in the CRM, we know we have the reporting sessions. We can just find everything. Or if you want to know that, show the products, sales by the product category, you can just give the prompt over here. So show the sales by product category. Okay, so once it's been set, you can just give click on enter, and here you can see that please provide the data or specific system where the sales information is stored for assisting better. So let's move on to the forecast over here. Let's move on to the other reports. Here you can see that we have the different reports. So again, okay, show the sales report by category, by product category, from the forecast report. So here you can see that the we just need to access the forecast report data to provide the sales. And could you please upload the report or specify where I can access it? So what we have to do is first we just need to upload it. So what you have to do is you can just insert this into a spreadsheet or link the menu in spreadsheet. So if I'm choosing insert over here, you can see that you can see the forecast report over here. So let me just name it as forecast and let's save it. Okay, so here we have to choose an option of the CRM dashboard. Dashboard group. So once it's 10, you can save it. Okay, and here you can see currently we have the spreadsheet which has been inserted, but we are not getting much report over there. So what I'm telling is that if you just want to insert this into a particular spreadsheet, you can just do it. And currently this one way we were dealing with, right? So here you can see, yeah, we can just ask more questions like which product is my best selling product? Which product is my best selling product? Okay. So again, AI is thinking. So to identify your best-selling product, the AI need to access your sales data. Could you provide the relevant data? Specify the system where it's been stored. So if you just want to give get the details, we have to provide more details in depth. So let me try to print this. So as I just want the forecast here, we are only getting to link into the spreadsheet. So here also we'll not be getting the option to print. Yeah, here we have the download XLS. So upon downloading it, again, let me just provide the option. So as you just uh, click on here, this will be copying to the clipboard. And here you can see that we are not getting much options to uh, provide the data over here. But let me try to provide the other data. So here we are not getting the option to attach the documents or anything. So if you have more insights or if the Odoo AI is connected properly, then you'll be getting more options to know everything. Okay, so this is one of the way to know the AI probabilities, and with the support of AI, Odoo automatically, the Odoo AI automates every flows over here. And now let's move on to the point of sale. So first we have to install the module point of sale. Let's move on. Okay, let me click on activate to activate the point of sale. Now let's move on to the point of sale. So in the point of sale, you would be able to find different point of sale and you can just open the register. And here you can see that we are just going to add different items into the cart. So you can find the opening cash and let me add the item. So in Odoo 19, we have the option to scan and just add the item into the cart. So imagine that I have added these items by scanning, and we can just set the customers over here for whom we are just purchasing, and let's move on to the payment, and customer can choose the payment method over here. And if we just want to print over here, we can also just do that, and we can also make the payment through the QR, and that's the other new feature. And Here you can see that as the QR is being added over here, the customer can make the payment through the QR. So this is not the case where we want to talk. So as we just close the register here, you can see that we'll be moving. We'll be proceeding with anyway, and we can just move on to the back end. And upon moving on to the back end, now when you just ask the AI, like if you just want to know whether you have a customer from Japan and all, you can just ask the AI. So if the AI is connected properly, or if there is no technical issues or any other issues, you will be getting the result over here. So let's ask the AI, do I have a customer from Japan? So AI is thinking right now if the AI can access it, that will be providing the result. So currently you can see that I can't access specific customer directly. Would you like me to have a team assist with this information? Yeah, connect the Odoo sales team. So here again AI is thinking, and here you can see that I'll need to confirm your contact details have reached out, and we can just email and they have given um the phone number to connect with us. So you can just go ahead with further chatting, and this would obviously give you more results over here. Now, if you just want to move on to the orders over here, you can find the orders, and this will show you from where we have made the orders, and you can just move on to the invoice, as well as you can just move on to the uh, sales module and see the order which has taken place over here. Okay, so once that sales is been done, that will be reflected over here. Likewise, we can also just connect the AI with the sales module. As a dedicated module is there in the Odoo 19, you can see that the module will be available throughout the Odoo. And here you can know that there are two providers. One is the ChatGPT and the other one is Gemini. So you have to use either of them. Now let's move on to a particular sale order, and here you can find that we have a different AI agent. So let me open it. So let's move on. Here we can just ask to summarize this. Summarize the order. So let's see whether we'll be getting the result over here. Still, it can't access. This is due to some technical issue. So we know there are two providers, and you may just need to go ahead with a Gemini to get more result. Currently, I have connected the ChatGPT. I don't know. Um, I think the issue is with the provider. So let's move on with the Ask AI and write a follow up answer. So let's see. So here you can see that. I hope this message finds you well, like recent order. Everything has been processed. And if you want to just summarize this, you can just summarize the um, order. Okay, so let's go ahead. So here, let's see whether we'll be getting the result. Yes, we are getting the result. Currently, we have summarized the results, and that's how the Odoo AI works. So not only in this case, you have the option to manage the Odoo AI for different product. So if you just want to know the variants of cabinet wood door, you can just go ahead and ask to the Odoo AI. So let me ask, find the on hand quantity of cabinet with doors. So let's see whether we'll be getting the result over here or not. So you can see that currently you don't have the access to the real-time inventory. To find the on-hand quantity of the cabinet wood door, you need to just check the inventory module over here. Okay, so we are not getting that. And likewise, you can just use or connect every, use the AI module to get every results over here. Now let's move on to a particular receipts, and Let's move on and let's ask to summarize the receipt. Summarize the receipts. And here you can see that Odoo is thinking and Odoo will be generating the result. So here you can see that the receipt creation with the reference number was generated in incoming document and the product is received. And you would be able to find the quantity, the warehouse locations, and that shows all the details over here. Okay. So basically, you can just move on with the other reportings like the Kanban, the calendar, with the views of maps and everything. And upon moving on to the operations, I mean, to the overview itself, you can find the reports of particular operation. So here you can see that we have different ways in which we can just switch the views and get the inventory overview, and that's the other one. And finally, let's move on to the dashboard. So from the dashboard also you can easily analyze or identify the the I mean, you can use the AI for automations. So here let's say uh summarize the Odoo Odoo sales dashboard. And let's click on enter. So again the AI is thinking. So due to some issues here, we can see that Odoo is unable to get the Odoo sales report. However, Odoo dashboard summarizes includes the total sales, revenues, and everything. If you have a proper connection with the Odoo AI agent, then you'll be getting the result over here. I'm not getting the proper result due to some technical issues. Currently, ignore the technical issue, but you can provide the prompt and everything to get everything, and you can easily automate your sales, inventory, loyalty, and everything. So that's how we just use the AI for the automations in different modules of the retails. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.